To make mint green, we have ultramarine blue, phthalo green, or you could use phthalo blue and mix it with yellow if you've got it, lemon yellow and white. The easiest way is simply to use phthalo, which is a very intense colour, and white. And if you don't want something quite that luminous, you can tone it down. So you've got lovely, lovely, nice bright colour there. And you have a tiny, tiny, tiny bit of red. You can tone it down very slightly and take the edge off. Slightly. And then if you want it lighter, just add more white. I think phthalo is a very good way to make green.